So let's take a look at how to RSVP to a meeting invitation. There's a couple of ways. One is if you've received an email or a notification. Let's just go here for this person. So you can see there's an invitation to a particular meeting, and you can just simply respond by saying you're going to accept or decline. You get an opportunity to change that. So let's accept that particular meeting. And that's it. Now you can go back and change your response if you want. That's all you have to do. Now, let's say that you've received an invitation. You'd like to just go to the meeting and see what's going on. So you could click Go to Meeting. And here we are at the meeting. If you try to attend a meeting that you've not responded to the invitation, you're going to be greeted with an opportunity to respond then. So let's go ahead and click Accept. We're in the meeting. And there we go. We've RSVP'd to the meeting. I'm going to navigate away from this particular meeting and show you how to reach a meeting indirectly. So you go to Meetings, whichever type of meeting you're wanting to attend. And so it looks like here, see now I've accepted the invitation on these, see the status. So here's another old meeting invitation. We've set these up in advance. And I have an opportunity here where I've navigated to meetings and selected a particular meeting. And I can just select Accept here. Now if I want to, I can decline. Right? And in any case, the information will be passed on to your facilitator. And so that's how you accept an invitation to a meeting.